Hey, Robert Kiefer here with HydroHero, and we are in a crawl space that we just finished up in Millsboro, Delaware, and I'm going to go ahead and take you guys through a walkthrough, show you what the end product looks like. So if you end up liking this, hopefully you give us a call to do your crawl space encapsulation. All right, let's go check this thing out. Okay, so here we are in this recently finished crawl space encapsulation. So there was no water coming in through the foundation or up underneath the footer on this particular one, so we didn't put any drainage in this. But there was such a humidity problem in here from the soil and from open vents and everything that the HVAC system actually was laying on the ground, and all the contaminants and mold that was in here all got sucked into the HVAC system, and the HVAC contractor said they need to get somebody out here to fix it. And a customer called a couple people, decided to go with HydroHero, and this is the end result. So, take you through. Look how nice and beautiful that is. So this is our HydroSeal vapor barrier. It's on the walls, on the pillars, on the ground. This is all insulated, has double insulating properties on top of the moisture properties. As you can see, this is just an absolutely flawless crawl space. Our guys really did an excellent job. The customer is extremely happy, and I'm going to get a video testimonial out of the customer to give us their honest experience on what our technicians were like and what the whole process was like since they chose HydroHero. But look at that. Our guys take a lot of pride in their work. So many other companies try to get you to think that they do quality work like us, but if they're not putting out videos like we are every single week, over and over again, showing you our quality, you know that's because they don't really have it. I wouldn't put most of these other crawl space encapsulation guys' end product work on my website or social media either, if you saw what it really looks like. So, anyways, that's our April Air 1850 dehumidifier down there, our workhorse. And all the water is, or all the moisture in the air is getting pulled into the dehumidifier. It is being turned back into a liquid and goes into the condensate pump, and then that condensate pump pumps that outside, and the non-insulated mylar ducting is taking all that, well, you can't see, it's on the other side of that board, all that hot dry air, dumping it out at the other side of the crawl space. That's balancing out the system, making sure it works a whole lot better. On the very top of that, we'll actually take you over here real quick. We have our moisture sensor. Now that's 24-hour monitoring that gets hooked up to the customer's phone, and we set all the parameters to make sure that the relative humidity stays well below 60%. Around 45% is what we hook it up at. And so that limits any type of mold, and also lowers things like dust mites, which are a big allergen. So that's why we keep it at 45%. But that is our big workhorse there. Absolutely great product. April Air makes the best dehumidifiers. So again, the end product. Moisture problem solved. Healthy indoor air quality. If you want a crawl space, your crawl space encapsulated, please give HydroHero a call at 302-321-7077 or find us on the web at hydrohero.com.